Hi guys, it's one cool girl here, and today we're going to be doing something with these amazing world things. Let's see if we can get some light in the video. It's a guy. The Amazing World. I got mine. Both of them I got at Dollar Store. This one's a monthly. This one is a dog. Wait, one sec. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Monkey and dog. Sorry guys. So yeah, you couldn't see me, but this is my thing. Whenever I say this is one cool girl, I'm gonna be going one cool and then girl. I'm gonna flip my hair. Right now it's in a pony, so I can't really flip. And if you haven't noticed, my hair actually has hair chalk in it. My mother put it in this morning. And so, really, down in the description box, we're going to be writing channels you need to check out. So, let's get started. Okay, so how are we gonna start? Perfect. These are them. Wanna play? Sure. What game? I don't know. How about we play? Okay, we figured out what game we're gonna play. We're gonna play hide and go seek. Let's get to it. I'm counting first. Go hide. Yay! Ready! Over here, down here. No. Found you. Oh, you found me. Let's go back. You want to play? Okay. You want the dog? Bye, guys.